Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove hard inquiries from your credit reports on Credit Karma. So first you need to do is just open up your Credit Karma and then access your credit reports and go to the credit report inquiry section to review your hard inquiries. Ensure the inquiries are indeed unauthorized or incorrect, as these only can be disputed. Identify the unauthorized or incorrect inquiries. So after this, simply for inquiries on your TransUnion or Equifax reports, Credit Karma often provide a dispute option. So simply click on that dispute option next to the inquiry. Then you will be redirected to the respective credit bureau website, such as TransUnion or the Equifax. So simply complete the dispute process, and then after this you can explain the inquiry, that the inquiry was unauthorized or incorrect. You may ask for the supporting documents such as police report in the case of identity theft, and then the credit bureau typically investigate dispute within 30 days. If they found the inquiry was unauthorized, they will be removed it from your reports. So that is how you can remove hard inquiries from your credit report in Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.